Bonjour, welcome to your first French lesson. Today, we are going to learn how to say hello, introduce yourself, and ask someone how they are doing. In just 5 minutes, don't worry about getting everything perfect. Just listen and repeat after me when you hear the pause. So let's begin. In French, the most common way to say hello is bonjour. Bonjour. That's your word for hello during the day. So at night, you say bonsoir, bonsoir. And when you leave, you say au revoir, au revoir. Let's practice all these three together. Repeat after me. Bonjour, bonsoir, au revoir. Great job. Let's move on to the next part of this audio. It says introduce yourself. How you introduce yourself in French? So to say my name is, you say je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. For example, je m'appelle Mohit means my name is Mohit. Try it with your own name once you have once you have the pause and then your name. Je m'appelle Mohit. Wonderful. Now to ask someone their name, you say comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? That means what is your name? Let's repeat it together. Comment tu t'appelles? Now you say, let's learn how to ask someone how they are doing. Comment ça va? Comment ça va? This means, how are you? Or literally, how's it going? To answer, you can say, ça va bien, merci. I'm doing well. Thank you. Ça va bien, merci. Let's put all together and repeat after me. Comment ça va? Ça va bien, merci. Excellent. Let's review everything we have learned today. I'll say the French and you repeat it one more time. Bonjour, je m'appelle Mohit. Comment tu t'appelles? Comment ça va? Ça va bien, merci. Au revoir. Bravo. You just completed your first French lesson. Practice these phrases with a friend, a family member, or even in the mirror. The more you say them out aloud, the more natural they'll feel. À la prochaine fois. Next time. Until next time. Au revoir.